Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be trying this Smarties cookie baking kit. These are all the things that are included in the pack. The first thing to do was to melt the butter in the microwave, and then I added in the dry ingredients, which was the vanilla cookie mix. I mixed the flour and the melted butter together till a smooth dough formed, and then I also added 2 teaspoons of milk. I've got to say the batter came out perfect, just like a delicious cookie dough. Press the cookie dough into your pan, and then you're gonna press in your Smarties. Put as many as you like. I did munch on some, just to let you guys know, but you know. So I've also got to say that the cast iron pan, don't throw it away. You can reuse it again to do a mini cookie like this again with your own recipe or following another person's recipe. You can do anything in this little pan, so don't throw it away. Once I've placed all the Smarties, I baked in the oven, and this is how it came out of the oven, nice and golden brown. Once the cookie is done, it should come out nice, lovely and golden brown. Don't overcook it. I did overcook mine slightly, but it came out perfect. So delicious. Overall, I really do recommend this kit. It's absolutely delicious, really enjoyable. A big thank you to my good friend for buying this for me, and I really hope you guys give it a go. Bye!